the STOP method. Another important thing that psychology teaches us is the STOP method. STOP is an acronym for stop, take a step back, observe, and proceed. This method may seem incredibly basic, and it is, with good reason. Begin by stopping what you're doing whenever you're faced with an obstacle. Stopping gives you the opportunity to take a step back and observe your own emotions. Your emotions need to be recognized in any obstacle to give you a bit of guidance about yourself and the situation. Once you observe yourself, you can proceed mindfully. Mindful continuation means that you continue to touch back on your emotions and reflect on the process. This gives you the opportunity to continue to develop yourself throughout the entire obstacle. During the STOP method, it is helpful to think about what advice you would give someone else if they were in your shoes. As humans, we're often much more critical and pessimistic of ourselves. Tap into your natural ability to overcome the odds. Whenever faced with obstacles and challenges, it may feel like the odds are stacked against us. Many people assume that if they don't have the natural skills, resources, or ability, they won't be able to overcome the odds. This is simply not true. On the contrary, all of us have everything we need to overcome the odds and beat our obstacles. By looking within yourself, you can overcome any obstacle in your way. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to do just that. Let's take a look. 1. Don't ignore your emotions. The first way to tap into your natural ability to overcome the odds is by giving your emotions the recognition they deserve. Many people make the mistake of putting their emotions on the back burner. Though it's true you shouldn't get swept away by your emotions, ignoring them will only land you in more trouble than you started with. The only time when obstacles are insurmountable is when we let our emotions get the best of us. That only happens if you ignore them. Keep touching back to your emotions to tap into your natural ability to overcome the odds. Your emotions determine how to respond to a certain situation. If you understand and respect your emotions, you will be able to approach the obstacle in a much more understanding and rational way, helping you to overcome the odds. 2. Have a growth mindset. In addition to paying attention to your emotions, have a growth mindset. A growth mindset tells you that you have the ability to improve on any skill or weakness. It is this mindset that allows you to improve yourself as a person. Everyone has the natural ability to have a growth mindset, but many people opt for a fixed mindset instead. Simply rewire the way you think about obstacles and your weaknesses in favor of a growth perspective. By making this simple challenge, you are much more likely to overcome the odds, all by looking within yourself. 3. Establish goals. An obstacle can seem impossible to defeat if it is large and daunting. Break that obstacle up into more manageable bites by establishing goals along the way. Establishing a goal gives you something to look forward to and makes the obstacle feel less daunting. Listen to your emotions and the facts of the obstacle to set the best goals. From there, actively pursue the goals. If you slip up or fail, call upon your growth mindset to keep going until you beat the odds. 4. Enjoy the process. The easiest and more important way to tap into your natural ability to beat the odds is to enjoy the process. Obstacles and hardships only feel hard because we don't enjoy the process. Obviously, it makes sense as to why we don't. After all, no one likes feeling inadequate, sad, or scared. Still, enjoying the process can be a large determiner of whether or not you overcome the odds. Start to overcome the odds by enjoying the process. You might not enjoy every aspect of it, but focusing on the positives and enjoying your growth will make it much more manageable. It will also keep you motivated and excited to continue your growth. Final thoughts. All that you need to overcome the odds can be found within yourself. Tap into your emotions, mindset, goals, and enjoyment to really master any obstacle that comes your way. Although these tips are easier said than done, trying to tap into these qualities will make a world of difference.